Hi, I'm Dan from LED Technologies, and I'll be showing you our specialized ProFlex LED tape that's suitable for high temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius. This specialized tape has been designed to withstand high temperatures and can be used in saunas, steam rooms, and industries where there's humidity and condensation. This LED tape has been purposefully manufactured with an air gap between the coating and components. This acts as a heat sink. The air gap allows the heat to dissipate, and the tape can be installed and function safely in high temperature environments. Ideally, this ProFlex tape should be installed and powered as the full 5-meter roll. There are cut points, but using these will affect the IP rating. At your own discretion, using a suitable sealant and end caps could help maintain an IP rating. Our ProFlex high temperature range offers cool white 6000 to 6300K, a warm white which is 2700K, and a colour changing RGBW with the white being a 4000K. Depending on your control gear, you can add in the white to achieve pastel colours. All of our high temperature tape are supplied in 5-meter reels with an IP rating of 65 and are 24 volts. For our single colour tapes, there are 9.6 watts per metre, 80 LEDs per metre, the CRI rating is greater than 80, and the cut intervals are every 50 mil. Our RGBW tape is 10 watts per metre with 60 LEDs per metre. The cut intervals are every 100 mil, and it features a 4000K daylight white LED chip. A single 100 watt 24 volt LED tech driver will easily power a 5-meter reel of our ProFlex high temperature tape. For more information on our ProFlex high temperature range, you can visit our website. You'll find a full technical specification, you can download datasheets, or alternatively, you can contact a member of our technical support team who will be happy to help and advise. Thanks for watching.